Hi, I'm Viviana and I am the founder of Discreet Cosmetic Studio. At Discreet Cosmetic Studio, we specialize in scalp micropigmentation. Have you ever heard about SMP or scalp micropigmentation? No? Well, you're not alone. Even though this treatment has been around for over 10 years, most people have never heard about it. Scalp micropigmentation is the ultimate non-surgical hair loss solution. It is effective, 100% guarantee, there is no downtime or scars, and is more affordable than a hair transplant. Scalp micropigmentation simulates the natural hair follicle by using a specialized tattoo needles to implant customized pigment into the epidermal layer of the skin in the form of tiny dots to replicate thousands of hair follicles. SMP is a natural look alternative to hair replacement that offers immediate results. The scalp micropigmentation treatment consists of 3 to 4 visits. Each visit could last from 2 to 5 hours long depending on your hair loss. The aftercare is pretty simple. No water, no excessive sweat or heat for 5 to 7 days after each treatment. Scalp micropigmentation is the best solution for reconstructing your hairline, adding density to existing thinning hair, camouflaging scars left after hair transplantation, scars from accidents, or any other surgeries. Scalp micropigmentation is the best solution for people suffering from alopecia, male or female, pattern baldness. Scalp micropigmentation is suitable for men and women of all ages, hair color, and skin tone. When searching for a trustworthy scalp micropigmentation clinic in your area, don't make your decision based on the price. Talk to the artist, check their social media, read their Google reviews, check their company website. Do your homework. Is their clinic meeting all the health department standards? Are their licenses and permits up to date? How long they've been in business? Do they have before and after photos? If the artist meet all your requirements, then it's time to make the decision and start your treatment. Welcome to Discreet Cosmetic Studio. We are located in the beautiful city of Orlando, Florida, about 20 minutes from Disney World. My studio is my pride and joy, and I want my studio to reflect my work and myself. Discreet Cosmetic Studio offers a very welcoming and relaxing environment. Since I spend so much time with my clients during their treatments, I want to make sure my clients feel comfortable with the process. During the scalp micropigmentation session, we take several breaks, including a coffee break. This is important to get to know each other and build trust. Most of my clients enter my studio as guests and leave as friends. If you're struggling with any type of hair loss, contact Discreet Cosmetic Studio now. Book your free consultation and let's discuss your desired look. I would love to help you.